everyone, and welcome back to Kitchen Instruments. Now today I'm going to show you guys how to make a Roberta glazed ham. Now if you're not familiar with the Roberta glaze, it's pretty much a pineapple glaze cranked up to 11. Now I was introduced to this recipe by a great chef named Tim Annabelle, who I had the privilege of working for a couple of years. And I like this recipe so much that I took it and I kind of developed it a little bit further, and now I'm going to share it with you guys because I think you'll enjoy it. Okay, now before you click off and say, well, I don't like ham, so I'm not going to like this glaze can actually work on anything. It works on chicken, it works on pork, it works on salmon, it works on shrimp. It works on so much stuff. You can even put the stuff on your shoes and it'll taste good. So give it a chance. I think you're going to enjoy it. Alright, so if you enjoyed today's show, feel free to hit that like button and also share this video because it really does help this channel grow by helping it reach a broader audience. And if you're a real fan of the show, feel free to hit subscribe because why not? It's literally right there. Alright, so who's ready to make some Roberta glazed ham? Yeah, you are. Let's do it. Alright, and that's how to make one of the best damn pineapple glazes you're ever going to have, ever. It is super good. I highly recommend this. Alright, well that's all I have time for today, so thank you for stopping by, and don't forget to stop by later next week where we're going to be making a classic from my childhood called Glaze, which is a German Saxon pancake crepe type thing, and I love it. I have it every Christmas morning, and I think you're going to love it too. So don't be afraid to stop by next week. I'll see you then.